Okay, so I'm about to beach wave my client. I just cut her hair. We did a little trim, refreshed her layers, refreshed her bangs, and I love to style her with the loose beach wave. I'm gonna be using my GHD 1¼ inch iron. And I'm a little pressed for time, so I'm not gonna section her with super small sections. I'm just gonna take maybe about the diameter of my iron for each section. So you can see I split her hair in half, and here we go. I feel like the technique that I like to do, it's all about the drag when you're twisting the iron. So I'll let you guys watch how I do that. And I'm not gonna speed it up so that you could watch at your own pace, but this is typically how I like to curl my clients at the salon after I've cut their hair. As you can see, I'm on the left side of her head, and as I'm curling, I like to curl everything away from her face on the left side. Then on the right side, I'll do the same thing. The waves that I'm going for are very loose. I don't like anything too tight or crimpy. I want it to look very soft and effortless. I'm not gonna speed anything up. I'm gonna let you guys watch how I curl her hair, and I'll check back in at the end. Enjoy. Okay, so I'm done curling and I like to spray a little texture spray. This is IGK Beach Club. It's a dry powder texture spray. I'll put this in very generously throughout the hair, and then I like to brush the hair out, again creating something very soft. I feel like that's the secret sometimes, is just brushing it out to make everything blend together, and that's how you create that really effortless wave.